Hello you beautiful people, how are you all doing? I'm Ishna and I welcome you back to my channel. From the title you're aware that I'm back with another fragrance video, but this time it's a different sort of a video. It's not a haul, but I'll be talking about the fragrances that I'm currently using. I don't even know whether you will be interested to watch videos like this or not, but I thought it's a nice idea that I will share of what all the perfumes that I'm using currently. Hope this might be interesting for you all, but before we get started, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button and join this family and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. Now without rambling any further, let's directly dive into the video, shall we? Okay, so there are two types of people who use fragrances. One who have one typical scent which is their signature scent and that they use throughout their life. They finish one bottle and they repurchase it, and that is how they go on maintaining the same fragrance that they have throughout. And there are other types of people, in the second category I belong, who like to use different fragrances on different days of the week. So if you are like me, then you are up for a treat, trust me, because I have got a nice mix of products that I use on a daily basis and I rotate among these for the time being now. So as you can see, I have this whole tray full of fragrances that I'm using. I'm specifically calling this a fragrance video instead of a perfume because there are deodorants, perfumes, a lot of mix and match here. So without wasting any time, let's dive in to see what all I have and what I'm using currently. In no particular order, I'm taking a random perfume and I'll be talking about those. So the first one is this one. This is Awesome and this is in the variant Cherish. This is a small pocket perfume actually, but I'm using this up. I love this fragrance Cherish. I have gifted it to so many people and they have loved it as well. This is a beautiful, sweet, floral, floral fruity scent. It's a beautiful fragrance. I have reviewed this in detail as well. I'll link that video right here so you can check it out as well. This is a supremely long-lasting fragrance. This might be small. Don't let your judgments cloud by the size of this perfume. You get bigger bottles of course, but this is a supremely great fragrance. It is a power-packed fragrance. You spray on yourself, couple of spritz and you're good to go. Supremely love this one and I highly recommend you to try this one. This is in the Awesome's Cherish variant. Moving on to the next one, this is also from Awesome and this is in the Awesome's Blossom variant. This is the initial range that Awesome came up with, and the Cherish is a much later range. I love this one. I had fully reviewed this one, this entire range I have reviewed, and I'll link that video right here. You can check it out. Judging from the bottle, you can understand I've used this up so much and I love this fragrance a lot. This is a sweet, feminine, floral. Sorry, I sprayed the other way. It's a beautiful fragrance. I sprayed my hands. Nonetheless, it's a very beautiful, feminine, sweet, floral fragrance. It's kind of sensual as well. So I think this is very good for parties and all that as well. You can wear it to special occasions and people around you will actually ask what you're wearing. It's very sweet, it's very feminine, gourmandish as well at times I feel. Yeah, I get a bit of gourmandish vibes as well. This is a very pretty fragrance. And I love almost all the variants in Awesome. I've used up the Aqua one. I'm down to this much for the Blossom variant. I also use the other one. I'm also using this one which is Delight, Awesome Delight. This is the purple variant and if you can see I've used up till this part. And I like this fragrance as well, but this compared to all other fragrances I like it least. This is kind of a mood dependent fragrance for me. I like it at times and I don't like it at times. This is called Delight. It's beautiful. This one is a floral fresh fragrance. Kind of it feels waxy now. It's going off I believe, so yeah. I'll be using this up soon as much as possible. Yeah, it's good. I mean, this fragrance is quite safe, blind buy for people who have sensitive noses. It's not overwhelming. Like Blossom and Aqua can be overwhelming and overpowering to your senses. This, on the other hand, will not have the same effect on you. I highly recommend you to check all the reviews that I have done for the Awesome. It will be linked right here, and it's a great fragrance. So these two were body mists. I have one deodorant that I am using. I have other deodorants as well, but this is a jade one. This is from the house of Ajmal. This I have reviewed as well. I'll link up that video as well. You can check it out. It's a stunning fragrance. If I have to recommend only one fragrance from Ajmal, that will be Jade. Once I run out of the deodorant variant of the Jade, I have another backup for this one as well. So once I run out of this, because this I believe this much is left also. So once I run out of this and I run out of my backup as well, I'll be looking forward to having the perfume variant of Ajmal Jade. This is a stunning fragrance. I mean, this is a head turner. I mean, you wear it, everybody will look at you. This lasts like forever on your clothes and on your skin. It's just divine. You see that mist is so fine. Oh my god, I love this one. It's fruity, it's sweet, it's powdery, it's musky, it's everything blended into one. This deodorant, if you buy, trust me, if you have this deodorant, you don't need any other deodorant in your life. I mean, this is one of those fragrances which makes me settle down for one and stick to that. I won't, but yeah, it is capable of that. This is that stunning. It's beautiful, and I highly recommend you to try this one if you at all try anything from the House of Ajmal. Moving on to one fragrance that I have. It says natural spray, but it acts like a perfume. This is Vanessa's Envy. This is a frosted bottle, and I'm down to this part. You can see only a couple of spritzes and it will be over. This is a 60 ml bottle. This is super strong. Initially it smells chemicalish when I spray. Yeah. After the initial chemicalish vibe is gone, you move on to find beautiful floral feminine fragrance in this one. This is stunning. I mean, I already have a backup for this one. This is only a tiny bit is left. Even the color is different. Like the other one that I have has got white colored liquid, and this is yellowish. Nonetheless, there is no compromise in the scent power. This is extremely strong. Sensitive noses, please stay away from this. This is not for you. People who like strong fragrances, this can be your bay if you can just overcome and get over with the chemicalish smell that comes at the first blast. Like now I can't smell the chemical, it's just fruit, beautiful floral and feminine, very sensual fragrance. It's a very good one, and it's affordable as well, super affordable, something around 200, 250, not more than that. Next up I have a staple, which is this one. This is Nivea's deodorant in the Fresh Comfort variant. Everybody has used Nivea deodorants, and this works best with your underarms. I just love it, the fresh feeling that it gives from the name itself. It's fresh. If you hear background noises, please excuse us. We all live in societies. I can't ask everybody to keep quiet, so kindly ignore that, okay? So yeah, as I said, Nivea deodorants are a staple that we have all used sometime in our life, or we use right now as well. Like I use this Fresh Comfort variant, and this, as the name suggests, it's fresh, it's very refreshing. It just keeps your body odor away and makes you feel fresh throughout the day. I totally love this. Definitely a highly recommended product. Please give it a try if you haven't already. I mean, this is something every girl must have tried sometime in their life, right? And this retails for rupees 200 as well. So all of these are probably well within under 250 or 300. And the last deodorant that I have is from Beverly Hills Polo, and this is the number 9 variant, Beverly Hills Polo Club. This is the pink variant. You get it in multiple colors, yellow, pink, blue and whatnot. Now this one is super strong. This stays on your body forever and on your clothes as well. This is fruity, woody, this is floral, woody, oriental, a bit of ambery. It's beautiful. This is one hell of a deodorant. This is just so strong, beautiful. It projects well. All of these, whatever I have shown you, apart from This one has got less projection power, of course. This doesn't have, this is a body mist, but Blossom and Cherish being body mists as well, they project better. This one doesn't project a lot, so I don't highly recommend this one. But yeah, I recommend this for sensitive noses. I mean, people who have sensitive noses, this can be a boon for them. And this one, if you are into sweet, ambery, woody, oriental fragrances, and that too which is strong as well, you need to try this out. So I'm trying, and I'm using currently all of these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So consider each fragrance for each day of the week, and I rotate between all these 7 fragrances. Currently, deos, body mists and perfumes in rotation, and I enjoy them. And I thought you might be interested in a video like this as well. If you do, please let me know in the comment section below if what all such a series if you want to see, or any such requests you have in your mind, or anything, any opinion if you have for any of these fragrances that I have talked about. These are all very dear to me. I will definitely repurchase some of those once I run out of those. But I definitely love all of these, and I would highly recommend you to try any of these, or like if you're like me that you want to try and wear different fragrances on different days, then you can try all of them. So yes, with that we have come to the end of this video. I hope you found it enjoyable and fun to watch, and if you think it was an interesting video, a fun video to watch, please give this video a big fat like and share it with your friends, and let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. And before you leave, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell icon next to it so that you're notified for all my future uploads. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy. Bye.